Hello friends, how are you all doing? I hope you're all having a great day so far. Welcome to Handmade by Shravs. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful decorative moon lamp that can be used as a bedroom lamp or a desk lamp. It is so easy and takes only an hour to make this. This lamp works on battery powered LED fairy lights and the lights look awesome, especially in the dark. So let's not delay anymore and see what we need for this project. I had a remnant piece of a foam board that I used for a different project. So I'm going to use that here. But if you do not have a foam board, you can always use a cardboard box. You will need a small piece of it. I drew a crescent shape outline and I'm using an X-Acto knife here to cut the foam board. And this is the shape that I got. To make the stand, we will need a wooden plaque like this. I think I got this from Michael's. To make the light bulb, we will need a clear plastic ornament. It comes in two pieces and we can fill them with ribbons, candy, any decorative stuff depending on the theme of the party. To cover the moon, I used a jute rope or a twine that I got from Dollar Tree. You can use a nautical rope or a macrame rope if you have that. And for the lights, I got these LED fairy string lights that can be operated with a remote. To make the structure of our lamp sturdy, I use this metal string. Now let's see how to build the structure. I did a couple of mistakes. One of them being I attached the ornament to the structure at the very beginning. You will see the ball that is attached while I'm making this. Please ignore that and do not attach it yet. The look is much better when you attach it later after we make the whole stand. Also, the whole process would be much easier if there is no ball attached to the moon. What I did here was I measured the circumference of the crescent here and cut the string using pliers. Using a tape, secure the string to the cardboard so the string stays in place. So now, as you can see, we have secured the string to the cardboard. Just imagine this without the ball. Now I'm going to cover the moon using the jute twine here. So start with one end of the moon. Make a tight knot and secure it well. Wind the twine around the moon tightly and closely so you don't leave any gaps in between. When I reached the middle of the moon, I decided to change the direction of the twine. so it forms a V shape in the middle. I stopped at the center of the moon and secured the twine using the glue gun so it doesn't become loose. And then change the direction of the winding. It forms a V shape at the center. I'm going to cover the top portion of the moon first and then cover the center later. I finished winding the twine around the moon here, as you can see. I forgot to record how I did the center part. I used small pieces of twine and glued them using a glue gun onto the moon, and so it covered the whole center. And the end result looks like this. Now we need to attach the moon that we made to the stand. To do that, we need to drill a hole in the center of the wooden plaque that we are going to use as a stand. Just mark the center, and using a drill, I'm going to drill a hole to the circumference of a dowel that I'm going to use. I used a dowel that is 5 inches in length and inserted one end into the wooden plank. The top end should be attached to the moon. To do that, I had to remove some rope from the moon. I secured the dowel to the moon and rewound the twine. I used some twine to cover the dowel too. Then I painted the wooden stand with the black acrylic paint that I had. Now we need to fill the ball with fairy string lights. These string lights can be operated with a remote control. It comes with a sensor that is attached to the string, and it has like 7 different modes of lights. So in order to cover that big battery or a sensor that is attached to the string lights, I'm going to use red color rose petals that I got from Dollar Tree. Now we need to attach the light ball to the moon. So you can see a small metal piece on the top of the moon. We need to attach the ball to the moon using a twine. As you can see here, I am struggling to put the string through the hole of the ornament and the rope is not passing through. So I have a small tip here. What you can do is attach a small piece of tape to the end of the rope and twist it so the end is smaller than the ropes and pass through the hole, and it will pass easily without any fraying. I made few extra knots and attached it to the end of the moon. And friends, this is the final look. The best part of this is that you can change the mode of the lights depending on the mood, and you can change the color of the petals too. You can use this on the bedside, or on the desktop or coffee table. I hope you liked watching this video as much as I did making it. Please let me know in the comment section how you like this video. For more such crafts and ideas, please subscribe to my channel. Share my channel with your friends and family. Thank you guys. Thank you for your support. Thanks.